What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt. I own a laser engraving business, and I'm currently moving it up into my garage right now as we speak. And I've been doing this since 2015, and I do it full time. And I love it. And I've been showing videos on how to do stuff, how I do stuff, hopefully helping others. Today, this video is sponsored by WeCreat. They reached out and they said they would love it if I made a video on what I thought about this laser. So I did a little research and I said, heck yeah, let's do it. This came packaged really well, and they did a fantastic job of hiding all the grates in the foam. You just cut them out and it worked out pretty nice. And then you can see they taped the lid, and take the tape off so we can open the lid, and then you have some more foam, and you have all the tools, and they have test parts of wood that they showed you that they've done before you received it. And mine was a picture of a cat, meow meow meow, meow 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 meow. And now I'm taking out all the stuff out of the boxes, and it's the rotary tool, it's your cables, it's the power cord, it's all the tools. It is the little 3-inch exhaust tube that makes no sense to me because I like the 4-inch. And it's kind of sad when you see a 3-inch. Yep, that was sad. And then you can see the exhaust in the back. The one issue that I had was the bolts weren't quite long enough, so I couldn't get all 3 of them on there. But or all 4, so I only got 3, which is fine. This is all the stuff that came with it. It's quite a bit, and they say this is plug and play, so let's find out. You can see they have a nice camera. And here's the website. The website is pretty self-explanatory. It is pretty nice. They give you all these templates you can get from them, and there is a lot. Like, I went through this, and I'd probably bore you guys out because it was a lot. It was a lot to take in. There's a lot of stuff in here, and I really enjoyed looking at it all, and it gave me quite a bit of ideas because of all the stuff they have, and I can always come back and get it from them at any time. So I like that feature because anyone starting out, you would be able to get a jump start right away on selling some products because you'd have all these to choose from, and then do your own little twist to them. Here's the program. I made a circle and typed in hello, and I'm going to click on the hello, and we're going to go down. This is the cool feature. I really like this. You can pick your engraving. So I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to pick what color that I want the engraving. Yep, I'm gonna pick which color. So you literally click it, and then it sets your speed and power, and then you go up and hit start. You turn on machine first, and it's gonna raise up the very first time, and then you're gonna put your piece of wood in, and after you put your piece of wood in, then you're gonna autofocus it. Once you get it autofocused, you will start the machine by hitting the button. And autofocus is in the program. It's really easy. You can see I don't have bi-directional on. For some reason I could not find that in the app, and I did all the updates, but they're working on the app, and I'm sure they're working out bugs. And they also told me that they're going to be hooking it up with Lightburn. So once that's hooked up, there shouldn't be any kind of issue with that. Bidirectional is where the laser fires on both ways. So when it goes to the right, it'll fire, and when it goes back to the left, it'll fire again. And you want that because it's faster. So I just did a simple hello and then a circle I cut out, and I did 2 rounds of this, and you did not need 2 rounds. 1 round would have been fine. Now this is 2 times the speed I have this recording as right now, and it turned out really well. Now, to remind you, I don't have any kind of air assist on any of this because I chose to not do that because I wanted to see what this could do without the air assist. If you do the air assist, it will help you actually cut deeper and a lot cleaner. But I always like to push to see what I could do without the stuff, and then push again with it on. So you can see here I went to 8 times the speed, and I put in UFTA, That's just a Minnesota saying. If you know anyone from the north, they say oofta, especially from Wisconsin and Canada, eh? Anyways, I picked the darkest setting on this one, and you can see it engraved really deep and dark, so you probably won't ever need that. Now I cut this out, going way too slow. I moved it down to speed as 2 to see how it was, and it was way too much. It charred it, so I definitely could have kept the speed where it was. And you can see here I'm cutting out a circle. This is a 1/4 inch MDF, and I wanted to see how it would do with that, because I tend to use a lot of 1/4 inch MDF for a lot of my stuff. So just curiosity to see how it goes. And it didn't do that good. It was stuck in there a little bit, as you can see, but it's okay. It cut through and it pushed out, but it did some charring. And then I soon realized this is one of my older pieces of wood. So I switched and I grabbed one of my good pieces of wood, but it was a scrap piece that I know cuts really good and doesn't leave a charring behind. And what I did here is I cut it out, just a quick circle to see how it would do. And I'm cutting this at speed 1. And you can tell the laser is stopping. This is real time. And so there's something wrong in the program for when you hit on 1. And I've done multiple tests with this. It's only on speed 1. As soon as you go to speed 2, it does not do it. So there's something in there that WeCreat, I'm sure after they see this, will fix it. They've been very good so far on fixing all the issues that talked about or thought they should change. So I'm more confident. I am really confident that they'll fix this right away. So all in all, the WeCreat is a good laser. Not that bad. There's a couple of things that need to be changed, but really, all said and done, it is a pretty much plug and play right out of the box. Make sure you calibrate the camera. I did that. It is a lot better. It is way closer than it was. I couldn't figure out what it was before, and then I started digging around. I, for some reason, could not find the bi-directional, so it lasers back, goes this way and does a laser, and then comes this way and does another fire. For some reason, I could not figure it out in the app. I looked it up, and I did an update, so I don't know if that's part of it. And for those of you that know that I moved into my shop and I haven't showed much yet, this is a little sneak peek what's behind me. This is all you're going to see. So, enjoy. But, yeah. More videos coming up soon. I had to get this one out of the way. Glad you got to see me again. Bye.